What you see here in this video today is the Perfecto agentic AI test automation solution. Your tests are written in your plain language of choice. In this case, we're writing them in English. And the steps are just in plain language and are executed at runtime, that plain language test step. The steps here is open a browser and navigate to a specific URL, and that URL is parameterized. The second step is find the map of ATMs near me, automated teller machines. The third step is get directions to the closest ATM to the east from my current location. And the fourth step is to go to the device home. This same test is being run on two different platforms. First one being an Apple iPad Pro, so that's obviously iOS. And the one on the right is a Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus, which is obviously the Android operating system. It's also being run against two different websites, the left one being Chase and the right one being Bank of America. So the first step is to go to the URL, which it's already completed. The second step is to find the map of ATMs near me. Now what you can see is you can, in this AI assistant view, which is what you use when you're creating your test, you can see all of the decisions that are being made by the agentic AI as it tries to accomplish the objective that you wrote. On the left-hand side for Chase, there was a link on the main page that it had to scroll through to find the map of ATMs near me. So you can see it's now achieved that goal. On the right-hand side, there wasn't a link to find ATMs near me or an ATM map on the main page, and it's had to scroll through, and it's now dealing actually with a pop-up. So the pop-up for location services, so that it can see results of ATMs near me. Now on the left-hand side, on the Chase site, we've gotten to the map, and now it's going to get directions to the closest ATM to the east of the current location. So it's going to look on the map and find the location that's closest to east, and you can see that it's done that. And it's going to bring up details about that. On the right-hand side, you can see that we've gotten to the map, and now it's going to start doing that step of getting directions to the nearest ATM. On the left-hand side, you see that the way that the business process works in the application is it actually does a punch out to your GPS tool of choice when you say get directions. So there was a notification message that happened. The agentic AI handled that notification message, and it punched out to Google Maps to find the directions to the location. On the right-hand side, you can see that it actually found ATMs to the east, but they were actually, the first one that it found was out of service. So understanding your objective, and it made the assumption that you would want an ATM in service, it looked for a different one, which was also out of service, and then looked for the next closest one, but there were no more to the directly east, so it went to southeast to find that. Now this also has the get directions, does a punch out to Google Maps as well, which it has done as well. And you can see that it's found those directions. And now on the left-hand side, you can see that it's just going to go to the device home, as it'll go to the device home on the right-hand side as well. This is showing the power of the same test running against multiple applications, or it could be just multiple builds of applications, or on different form factors.